Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota Camry front hood. First, locate the interior hood release lever. This lever is usually found on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard near the door. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a slight pop from the front of the car, indicating the hood has partially released. This initial step is crucial for accessing the secondary latch. Now move to the front of your Camry. The hood will be slightly ajar, allowing you to see underneath. Carefully reach your hand into the gap just above the grille. You're looking for a small, secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly, so it's an important safety feature to understand. Once you've found the secondary latch, you'll either push it to the side or pull it up, depending on your Camry model. As you manipulate this latch, gently lift the hood with your other hand. It should then swing open smoothly. This two-step process ensures the hood remains securely closed during driving, providing peace of mind. With the hood open, find the metal prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood. Carefully lift the rod and insert its end into the designated slot on the engine bay frame. Make sure the rod is securely seated and the hood is stable before you begin any work. This prevents the hood from accidentally closing, keeping you safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.